My new Maytag washer says canceling cycle and I can't start any other cycle. It was just installed today.
Is your Maytag washer top or front loading? How old is it?
Top.
How long has this been going on with your Maytag washer? What have you tried so far?
It was just delivered and installed.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I hit hold to start.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. This is Mark. I'm an appliance repair technician with 20 years of experience, and I'll be assisting you today. Sorry to hear your washer is acting up. That is frustrating. First off, unplug the washer from outlet for 5 minutes, then plug back in to reset the computer board. Also, to let you know, if you see phone call pop-ups, that is not me sending them. The site generates those.
Okay, I unplugged the machine and will wait 5 minutes.
Sounds good. I'm here. How did the reset go? Did you clear the issue?
Thanks. Is there a way to cancel a cycle once you start one? The reset allowed me to start the same cycle.
You can press and hold the start button or cancel button for 5 seconds to cancel out a cycle. If you need more assistance, I'm happy to help. If you are not able to reset the cycle and get this working normally again, then since it is still in warranty, you can contact Whirlpool, since they own Maytag, to have them send someone to repair this for you at no charge. Link to contact them here. Scroll down to request service. https://www.whirlpool.com/owners.html.
Thanks.
You are welcome. Happy to help if needed.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.